Hello friends, very good afternoon. So today I am here with a quick question, and my question is write a Python program to create a 3 by 3 matrix with values ranging from 2 to 10. So you have got a list or something like that with values from 2 to 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these values you have to consider, and you have to make these values in the form of a 3 by 3 matrix. So what you have is some values, and you have to convert it into a 3 by 3 matrix. So for that we can use numpy module. So I am importing numpy, import numpy as np. Then I am assigning this into a value x. So x equal to np dot a range, which will take all the values from 2 till 11, and I'm using a function known as reshape. Dot reshape to which matrix? It's a 3 by 3 matrix, and I'm printing this value. Okay, fine. Save this, run this. Yes, so I am getting it as a 3 by 3 matrix, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a quick question. It's a kind of brainstorm. First you can do without seeing this program, or it may be very easy, but just a refreshment. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button, and for the further notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you.